Hello everyone, my name is Jeffrey Grigg and I'm the Client Manager for Austcom, and we provide a communications network for communities around Australia. We are a not-for-profit community organisation based in Bega, and our communications networks help to build sustainable communities socially, environmentally and economically. Austcom creates services around three main areas. First is natural geographic localities, such as the Bega Valley, Melbourne communities, Central Victoria and so on. And that helps us aggregate whole of communities all in one area, and they can support and inform each other and generate activity within their community website, and that helps them a lot. Then we work across areas such as producer networks, complementary medicine and health networks, and that helps them gather information about what they do, share it with others, and anyone can get involved in that who's involved as a not-for-profit or in the private sector. Then we work on specific projects such as cycle rides, which is effectively a database of bicycle rides that you can take around Australia. The beauty of this is that you can be anywhere in the country and look up bicycle rides in your particular locality, download the ride, which is satellite navigation, and then take that ride, upload it back into the website and compare your ride against other people who've done the same ride. The benefit for you to being in a community network is that you're able to tell your story. As your life progresses, the things that are important to you are the things that are important to us as a community. So we engage you, we help you tell your story, get you used to the technology, and then find out what it is that makes you special.
Hi, it's Rod here. I'm here just to talk quickly about the skills that we find are needed in order for growth to happen within various communities. And one of the main skills that's needed is just to be comfortable with IT, to have had familiarity with working with text editors and so forth. Another skill that we tend to find is that we need to have some sales skills so that we can spread the word within that community. And a third one is the whole idea of design, to make it look good, and some administrative skills to organise themselves.
Yeah. When Austcom moves into communities, we look for a series of indicating factors that tells us about the health of that community and what we can expect when we look deeper into the networks. The first thing we look for is a vibrant art scene, because without culture, a community has little meaning. It has the little ability to create a vision for itself, to create new realities. Arts is the very foundation of a solid community basis. The second thing we look for is a strong educational network, because it's through education, from birth to kindergarten, through the primary and secondary schools, into university and adult education, and up into the university of the third age. Lifelong learning is the very foundation of a growing and developing community. We look for health networks, producer networks. We look for a reasonable tourism industry where new influences and new ideas can stimulate business activity.
One of the things behind this project is to develop a local economy. There has been a period of time where economic rationalists have cut, trimmed, moved, centralised and done all things which basically suit them. That system shows all sorts of evidence of collapsing. And really we need to return to the old community spirit days. We need to look at the community building its own economy, being responsible for itself, caring about the citizens that are in that community.
But what we look for are people who can make those things happen. Let's take the education network, for example. So many things are happening at so many different levels, especially as technology changes, that people want to be able to control their own technology. And the Austcom network provides a perfect platform for people to get involved in the Typo 3 editing system and to be able to add in elements such as web applications, databases, course activities, membership systems, invoicing and billing systems, and then to be able to aggregate that data, to be able to build it into a coherent whole.